they could make a sloth do somersaults. These weren't just a chews, they were feather-flinging, jungle-flipping sneeze-taculars. What a chew turned mangoes into disco balls that sang pirate shanties. Another made vines sprout googly eyes and start reciting knock-knock jokes. A third could transform a swamp into a bouncy castle of fizzy grape soda. A fourth might make frogs wear tiny disco boots and moonwalk. And a fifth could turn a palm tree into a giant rubber chicken that clucked opera. One twinkling morning, Bloop was nibbling a glitter-dusted pineapple when a chew. His sneeze made every coconut in Snickers Swamp grow roller skate wheels and start a derby race, cackling like hyper-hyenas. The mangoes, now shanty singing disco balls, belted yo-ho-ho in a bottle of fizz, while a nearby fern became a whoopee cushion burping rainbow bubbles. Clouds turned into cotton